And just like that, for the first time in over 50 years, GM has redesigned their logo. The change included dropping the uppercase, moving the underline, rounding the corners, adding a thematic gradient with a slight drop shadow, as well as flat versions for other applications. Regardless of any criticism that usually accompanies any major logo redesign, today we will look into how the new logo came to be, its design elements, and the hidden meanings in it. Finally, we'll get an honest take on the logo from one of our graphic designers, Monica. Since its inception in 1908, GM's logo has become one of the world's most recognizable. GM's original logo was actually not really a logo, but a certificate of incorporation. The first real logo was designed in 1938. It was a rectangle divided into two parts. In 1964, GM's in-house design team developed the new logo, changing the wordmark to just include GM, featuring a slightly modified form of the classic Helvetica typeface. In 2001, the GM emblem was made three-dimensional and the blue color of the background intensified. The frame of the square was strict and visible. Then, in 2010, the logo was refined and simplified. Now let's look at the GM logo of today. According to the company, the new GM logo features a color gradient of vibrant blue tones, evoking the clean skies of a zero-emissions future and the energy of the Ultium platform, GM's EV battery system. The rounded edges and lowercase font create a more modern, inclusive feel. The underline of the M connects to the previous GM logos as well as visually representing the Ultium platform. And within the negative space of the M is a nod to the shape of an electrical plug. Now let's get into some reflections from Sokal graphic designer Monica Romain. Monica has been with the company for 3 years and has an Instagram account where she specializes in hand lettering.
So when I initially saw it, I was kind of like, I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about the gradient that they used. I don't really know how I feel about how they used like the beveling in there, because there's a tiny little bevel in there. That was my initial thought, but afterwards, I kind of looked at the style guide and I kind of like looked at how they use the gradient and how they like use the typography and stuff. And seeing all that together kind of made me realize, oh hey, there's like an actual like plan for like the colors and like what they did and stuff. And after seeing that, I think I like it a lot more.
As always, reach out to us for all your advertising needs. Until next time.